Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network, the universal utility. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $149 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Quant, the community. What are the people saying about it? Anything new? Anything interesting? So let's find out. So look at this. This is 5 hours ago. Sebastian, QNT, some longs just got obliterated. Yeah, obviously it happens. This is crypto, guys. Especially, I think in the futures, spot trading is something else, but in the futures, many people get obliterated, devastated time and again. So one should always be careful, to be honest, because there is a lot of volatility in this space. So be careful. Let's see what the people have commented over here. Super Wiki, kind of wild. It indeed. Damn shenanigans, I tell you. Watch QNT now. Holy moly, bye bye. Let's hope that QNT goes up eventually and recovers. That's our hope. Okay, so this is San, 2 hours ago. So 90% of banks leverage Corda. How many use cases with Corda does the other so-called banking interoperability solution has? QNT has many. So talking about use cases, the name of R3, Corda come up when it comes to permissioned blockchains. So the use case that it provides to the banks, obviously it's going to be huge, and QNT with its connections, with its partnerships, with the fundamentals, hopefully dependent on the delivery of the team, the execution of the team eventually is going to be huge in the future as well, providing interoperability solutions. Obviously, look at this. Corda just makes sense. Data only is stored where it has to be. Okay. Pardon me. So, okay, look at this. Privacy and technical considerations. A key finding of the POC centers on privacy, a significant requirement for Bank Indonesia. Corda built with privacy in mind. So, why is this relevant with Quant and these other projects? Because the use cases of blockchain and these new technologies, in terms of providing solutions to the traditional banking system, to the traditional payment gateways, to the legacy systems, is going to be huge in the upcoming times. Obviously, this is a trial and experimentation phase. Any project can fail or succeed. Quant can't fail, it can succeed. Obviously, any project, any business, we should be thoughtful that it has the potential to succeed or fail. Imagine if anyone invested in Amazon and it did not become what it is today. Obviously, it had the potential to succeed and it succeeded. But obviously, one any project or business also has the potential to fail anyways. So it is also relevant to these technologies as well. What they're doing is revolutionary. They're trying to change this space, the financial landscape. So let's hope that they succeed. This is what we can say. Corda, built with privacy in mind, was noted to directly meet the bank's criteria, including preventing the leakage of participant identities even in encrypted transactions. By contrast, Besu, rooted in Ethereum's transparency focused design, requires additional privacy enhancements to meet these standards. Awesome. Okay, what else do we have? This is Oinky Doinky, a really interesting name. Whenever the name of quant comes, people talk about demand, supply, and the tokenomics of quant, that there is only a handful of quant for the people to own. So look at this. If 14.6 million people owned one QNT, there would be no supply left. Time is running out. There is 8 billion people in the world and you do not own enough QNT. The Universal Utility and Interoperability Token, those that are bullish on QNT, I haven't seen a community in terms of the utility project that are as bullish as Quant. It is like a cult following. There are so many passionate advocates of Quant that really follow it in an extremely passionate way, in an extremely passionate trajectory. And those that criticize it, they criticize it with the extreme, with that same extreme level, parallel to that, those that are proponents of it. So, so let's hope that those that are advocates like Oinky Doinky over here, they ultimately succeed, because the criticism towards Quant is mostly directed towards the team, that they are not giving us enough updates and we do not know anymore that what's happening behind the scenes, and a lot of that and a lot of those stuff, folks. This is December 23. What is this? QNT PSA, may I have your attention, please? Must I remind you, 2020 equals 2024, 2021 equals 2025. So if you remember, QNT went berserk. It really rallied hard in 2021. So according to this post, that QNT in 2025 is going to be following the same pattern as 2021. So if that is true, it's going to be phenomenal to say the least. 2020 QNT price on Xmas was $10, but before it went on a 9-month 4,000% plus rally in 2021. I mean, this is insane. Well, it's 2024 Xmas, and QNT is sitting around $100. So imagine if it goes on to even half of this rally, or even quarter of this rally, where it's going to be. I mean, market cap wise, obviously, it's going to be insanely high, and in terms of price as well. Look at this, $11 from. Look at the point from which it rallied in 2021. Obviously, these are speculations. We never know what happens. It can perform this well, and it obviously can go much down as well, break support levels as well. So let's see how it goes. Market Wolf, QNT community, just a reminder, as you hold through the pain, approximately 90.52% of the total supply of QNT is held in wallets. Only about 9.48% of the total supply remains on exchanges for purchase. So, only a certain percentage that people can buy on exchanges. So this is how scarce Quant is, according to a lot of advocates. There was a post by Nick as well. Let me see. Yeah, this is it. He also reminded that QNT has been in a long consolidation phase. Look at this. 12 hours ago, Nick, I just took a look at the QNT chart, and it looks like it's been just consolidating since 2021. We can call it a consolidation phase and even an accumulation phase, because although it has dipped since the 300 $400 levels, but it has been in a constant sideways price action. So when this happens, there is although there is volatility, but there is either a breakout to the top or the breakout towards the bottom. So let's hope that in case of QNT, the pressure continues to build and it breaks out towards the upside. This is what we can hope for. Look at this. The pressure is continuing to be build up while we just wait for the largest expansion of QNT yet. This is one you don't want to ignore. So according to Nick, it's going to be positive price action. Let's see what the people are saying. Juice agreed. Pick only one, most bullish, QNT or Casper. I'm going to be making a Casper video after this, so this is a pleasant surprise, that QNT or Casper. QNT is much bigger than the entire space. Save this comment. I like QNT, but why that much bullishness? For anyone who understands the magnitude of Overledger, this is absolutely not bullshit. Yes, if Overledger achieve half of what it wants to achieve, it's going to be huge. Casper could well be the dark horse this bull run. QNT developers have left X, which was a big mistake. It depends on who you talk to. They weren't even that much active in X. As far as I remember, whenever I used to cover Quant, I used to look at their X handle. Whenever I cover a project, I go through their X handles as well, their official channels as well. But in terms of Quant, they didn't update as much, even when they were on X. So I used to cover content via the community members, like I'm doing right now. So I think that it won't make such a big. It isn't that much a big deal, but obviously they should have been here updating the people more. Even it would have made life easier for people like me as well. But I agree that Casper could be the dark horse this bull run, especially after the new team has taken over. Michael has performed really well for it. I mean, he has change the morale of the entire project. Look at this. But is there a world where quant is not needed? What if it is not the chosen overledger for FutureFi? Damn, Nick, where you been? Haven't seen you in a minute. What are your topics? It does worry me that I've been buying for 2 years and it has done nothing with only 10% supply left. So whenever people get frustrated, a move happens towards the downside or towards the upside. So let's hope that according to the proponents and the universal utility and interoperability that Quant has, that it moves towards the upside. So folks, what do you guys think about Quant Network and the universal utility? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.